Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about getting Google Form responses directly in your email. Instead of checking Google Sheets, you can receive every submission instantly in your inbox. Just connect your form with email and you'll get the response as soon as someone submits. How to do it? Stay tuned till the end. Go to your Drive and prepare your workspace. Click on New. Select Google Forms. Select Blank Form. First of all, give your file a name like Demand Form. After that, start preparing your form. My first field is Client Name. Format this field like I want its response with short answer, and make this field as required. After making necessary formation, insert another field by click on Add Question. Name it and format accordingly. And likewise, add fields according to your need and format it as you wish. Like, you may want your field to be a drop-down list, checkbox, multiple choice, short answer or paragraph, date or time, and so on. If your form has an image field, do not forget to format it according to your need too. Like, I want to collect image responses in picture format, but you may like to collect responses in PDF or drawing or anything else. After completing your form, you must publish it and make it shareable. For that, click on Publish. Select anyone with the link. Click Publish. Now this is your shareable link. You can directly copy it or make it shorten, and then share it with anyone you like. Now you have to connect this form to a Google Sheet for responses to be stored. So go to Responses. Click on Link to Sheets. Leave it as it is and click on Create. After clicking, you'll be directed here. This is the place where I have to connect form and sheet with email. This will be done by the sheet code editor app script. Let's do it. It is a simple function that connects everything. You don't have to do anything much except a few changes and likewise a few clicks. First of all, you have to change the email addresses. Mention the email for Forms Responses collection. Or if you want only one email address, remove the rest. And likewise, you can add more emails. After that, set the subject for the email responses. And also make custom message for the responses. After necessary changes, click here to save the project. After that, click on Triggers. Click on Add Trigger. Leave the rest as it is except two. From Event Type, select on Form Submission. Select Notify Me Immediately from Failure Notification setting. Save this trigger from here. Choose an account to proceed. Click Advance here. Click on Go to the Project Unsafe. Scroll down and click Allow. Close project window. Don't forget to copy form link for sharing. Open a new tab and paste the link you just copied and press enter. This is your form you shared with your clients or anyone you want. Let's try this form whether it works or not properly. Type a name in client name, client contact number, client email address. Select an item from drop-down list like a printer. Type desired quantity. Select order status. Add file. Choose your file you want to attach. And click Submit. Go to your mobile to check whether you received this new demand notification or not. And boom, here it is. Tap to open and verify it. Yes, it is the same demand. Now let's check this form's submission from phone. If you have not taken or saves the article's picture, mobile form submission gives you an advantage that you can take live picture right here. Wait for mail notification. And there you go, it's working. But hold on, the video is not over yet. Many of you may be wondering that Google Forms already has a built-in email notification system. Then why all this headache? Yes, that's correct. Google Forms has a built-in option to get email notifications for new responses. But this built-in function only tells us that there is a new response. It does not show the content of the form. Here is an example. But the JavaScript function will not only notify us, it will also show the full content of the last submission in the notification. Here you can see the difference between both notification systems. As a summary for this video, first, prepare your form. Share your form and copy form link. Connect your form with Google Sheets. Enter JavaScript function. And add triggers. I hope you would have liked this video, and if so, please like and subscribe this channel for more contents like this.